Hello everyone, welcome back to SaaSpace Pro. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Gmail password. So for that, just go to a Chrome browser, and I'm using incognito mode here, but you can also skip this and use the normal browser. Now, we are going to write Gmail login or sign up in our search bar. Okay, so in this interface here, I'm going to click on sign in Google accounts. Here it's asking for my email. I'm going to type my email here. Okay, and then I'm going to click on next. It's asking for my password. So I'm going to reset my password, right? So I'm going to click on forget password here. So it's again asking for the last password that I remember. So I can't recall anything. So I'm going to click on try another way. So as you can see that it has sent a recovery code in my recovery email. So the recovery email means basically the email that was attached as an recovery email with the email that I'm trying to recover. So I can just simply go to that email and I can just copy and paste the code here. But let me just show you another approach that you can do with your phone. So it's asking me again that do you have your phone? I will click on yes. So as you can see that it has sent me a code and send me a notification on my phone. So I'm going to check my phone and type 18 in there. I have already typed 18 and yes, you can see that welcome back. You can now update your password now if you forget it. So I'm just going to click on update password, and then I'm just going to give a new password, and I'm going to confirm my password here, and then press on save password. Okay, now it's just showing me some security checkups for now, but I'm just going to continue to your Google account, and you can see that I have successfully logged in. So this way you can just change or update your Google password. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.